Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
FXCM review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this broker FXCM. So the website is fxcm.com. Now normally we are doing the Forex broker reviews here. So mainly we'll target on Forex trading. So in trading you can go to Forex, I guess, wherever we have here. Maybe markets, sorry, yeah, we have Forex and the markets, okay? But you can also do crypto major and commodities like gold and silver if you want to, cryptocurrency. So all in all, it's the whole platform which serves you all the products in the market of trading, okay? Leaving stock aside, maybe. I'm not into stocks as of now, so I don't know much, okay? Now coming back to the website here, you could open the account, you can try the demo, etc., etc. But let's start from their birth. It says that they were born in 1999. So this is the date when this fxcm.com domain was registered. And it expires on 2025. So it expires 1 year later, okay? Anyways, so normally if you want to check when the domain was registered for any company, you can come to whois.com, type in the domain name here, and it will show that how old that website is, okay? Now, before we start or proceed with this review, now I will be doing reviews for multiple brokers. You know, for example, FXCM, and in the coming days, you will see more broker reviews. It does not mean that I have used all of them in person or personally, okay? So FXCM, I have not used personally, but I will give you two brokers in the description of my YouTube video, which I personally use, okay? So if you watch this video till the end and then you go down below my video in the description, you will find two links of my brokers which I personally use. One more here catch is that these brokers such as FXCM or the ones which I use, they are for non-US clients. As you might be aware that there are not many brokers who can provide you leverage and they can serve US or Canadian clients, okay? So as FXCM clarifies here, somewhere I read that, is it regulated? So I guess right here it says that FXCM is not intended to be used by the residents of US, Canada, European Union, Japan, Hong Kong, or Australia, okay? So that's a bummer. So in case you're from Europe, Australia, or Japan, Hong Kong, wherever, okay? I will leave you a couple of broker links below my video, which I personally use and I trust them. I never got my money stuck in those brokers, okay? So make sure you watch the video till the end as well. And at the same time, when we are on the screen, the question arises, is this broker regulated? So they're saying clearly Stratos Global LLC is not subject to regulatory oversight, blah, blah, blah. You can read everything on the screen, okay? It says here, if you prefer a regulated entity, you are encouraged to open an account with Market Limited or AU or Africa. Now, given that which country you come from, they might or might not accept you, okay? But I will tell you here, if you're from UK, Europe, India, or Australia, or maybe some other, Asian country, so if you're from those countries, I'm going to tell you those two brokers which will give you the leverage up to 1:500, okay? So I don't know how other people work in the industry, but I prefer using leverage to my advantage, knowing what you are doing, okay? I'll give you a pro tip right now in the beginning of the video so that you can subscribe and like as well. There are people who will tell you that if you use high leverage, you can lose more money. You know, for example, people start with a leverage 1:100, maybe 1:200, maybe less, but I prefer leverage minimum 1:500. I will not start trading if if my broker is not getting the account with 1:500. That's me, okay? Maximum you can go up to 1:1000, depending if your broker is trustworthy or not. The reason, other people will tell you if you use more leverage, you will lose more money. Maybe theoretically is right, but my friend, get your definitions correct. You do not lose more money because of high leverage. You lose more money because of high lot size. You don't know what lot size to choose when you're opening your trades. That's why you lose your money. That's why you probably might blow up your account if you don't know what you're doing, okay? So high leverage has got not much to do with losing more money. If you talk about losing more money, that totally depends on what is your lot size. You got it? Get your definitions correct, please. Leverage, high leverage got nothing to do with losing more money. Losing more money always and always and always depends on what your lot size is. If you have a higher lot size, you'll be boom, gone, okay? Now, anything else, we have to check reviews, okay? So everything else remains the same, like a typical broker. You have MT4 and you have Forex pairs, currency pairs, commodities and all that, okay? Now, you have known that this is not for US clients and Canadian clients or UK or European clients. For US people, it's pretty difficult to find a trusted broker. But in case if you are interested, you can contact me on Skype. Below my YouTube video right here, if you click in the description, you will find my email and my Skype ID. You can contact me if you're from America, and maybe I can suggest you some US broker as well, okay? However, at the same time, if you're watching my video for the first time, maybe you can go and check out the link in the description below. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. The first link below my video. Once you click on that link, you will come to this page here. And this is my program in which we can do trading automatically using the software, or you can call it EA, Expert Advisor, okay? So once you come to this page, you can see all these never-ending proofs of my trades, which we take almost every single day, okay? So these are those never-ending proofs. If you want to see how this program works, what this is all about, this is a newbie-friendly program, not for experts, okay? If you're expert, if you know what you're doing, carry on what you're doing, okay? If you are newbie or planning to start, do check out the first link below my video and come to this page and check out all these proofs in your own time, okay? Coming back now. So before you search about any broker, one thing which is mandatory for you to check is Trustpilot reviews, okay? So if you go to this website, trustpilot.com, in their search box, you can type in the name of any company such as FXCM. They have 538 reviews and it shows great. I don't care about the great. I will go always on the bottom, the 1 star, okay? If you want to see the real reviews, always go for 1 star for any company, okay? Now, let's see if these reviews will make sense or not. So September 17, 2024, it is like last month. So it says, what a waste of time. I have been in contact for days, being passed back and forth between FXCM and Ninja Trader, all because I cannot log in on using my details, blah, blah, blah. Do you think they could sort it out, blah, 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 okay? So this 1 star is based on their experience that they are not able to smoothly log in into the platform and then get on with the trading. Now, for me, negative reviews does not matter until and unless people say they lost their real money, okay? So if you have some experience with their customer service not being fast, or you're not able to log in for whatever reason, for verification, for whatever purposes, that is not a problem for me, because my problem will be, am I able to deposit and withdraw the money on time or not? If I can withdraw the money, then I don't care about the negative reviews. So as long the broker pays me, okay? As long the broker which I will be using, or which you want to use in your case, as long that broker pays you, then I don't care how do they provide you verification or support, but it has to be justified that everything should be up and running within 24 to 48 hours. This should be the goal of any company. But as I said, so this 1 star will not make any difference to me, because here the customer is talking about only login issues. He didn't say, oh, whatever the customer needs to defend. He didn't say that. He did not get the money, or there's some problem with withdrawals, okay? So as long nobody is complaining with the withdrawals, I'm okay with that broker, right? Second review, let's see what we have here. So it says, horrible experience, FXCM holding my money hostage over a month, okay? Now, this is obviously from GB, Great Britain. Now, I don't know, because here somebody said, they said that if you're in the UK, where is it? Oh, it doesn't say, it says only US, Canada. I thought UK was included. Anyways, so UK people can sign up with this broker, I believe. But if you're in the UK, I do have 2 more brokers down below my YouTube video. You may want to check out them. Okay, and there's one more thing actually. You know what? If you join the brokers, which I have in the description below, if you are into UK or Europe or Australia, wherever you are, if you join those brokers, because you will be under me, So I can talk to, any case you will have any problems in the future, I can talk to those companies and tell them that you are under me, and it makes a difference. Okay, because I had been trading for some time now, and I have referred people. So if somebody has a problem, they come to me, and I put my word with the company, and then the company takes care of the rest. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's say if you are alone, they could not pay attention. But if five people, let's say, work together and they put a word for you, it matters. Okay, so if you go and join those brokers below my video, if you have any problem, you can always get to me. Okay, so let's get to the review here. So it's a horrible experience. My experience with FXCM has been nothing short of a nightmare. It's blah blah blah. They deposited 50 as a test, which took days to process, followed by a week to withdraw just 5 to my Wise account. What is that? Followed by a week to withdraw just £5 to my Wise account. After this test finally went through, I trusted them with a larger deposit, big mistake. After depositing my euros into FXCM, it took more than a week for them to come back with their Despite my previous withdrawal via SEPA, the funds had to be returned to my PayPal because my this was mentioned. Basically, in the review before okay. When this review looks like he might get the money, I don't know. I can't speak on behalf of FXCM, but there are certain brokers in the world. Okay, there are certain brokers in the world who they have this illogical process of deposit and withdraw that if you use some XYZ method. And if you, let's say, deposit $100 using your card, then you can only withdraw $100 back to your card. And if you have more than if you have to withdraw more than 100, you have to use some other withdrawal method. What bullshit? Okay, it happens. It happens with a lot of brokers, and it happens with maybe some kind of regulation they have to follow. It does happen. So in this review, what happened is this customer used a different method for deposit, and then he cannot withdraw more than what he deposited using the same method. So the money has to go back to PayPal. And then again, he's going back and forth with their customer service. And it looks like they might sort this out for him, maybe not. So he's frustrated. So this review, 1 star, is because of the customer experience and because of terms and conditions not being clearly mentioned. Okay, so in this case as well, I will think that, yes, he got the money back. It's just that he didn't know how much to deposit, which method to use, how much he can withdraw in which method. That's confusion. And that's why he gave one experience. If somebody tells me he did not get the money at all, that's my reason to worry. But if you get the money, but you have the problem with the regulations that you can only withdraw in this, into this account this much, and you have to use a different method, then that's a process of the company which you have to maybe follow and work together to sort this out. So this again, 1 star, does not tell that they have lost, this broker did not pay him. The broker tried to pay him, but because of certain method problems. Okay, so the reply says, thank you, blah, blah, blah. We strive, blah, blah, blah. We understand the delicacy of the situation. However, please note, process time, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so they are asking to contact directly. Okay, now we have one more here, 1 star. So it is August 16, 2024. Trying to open live account, ID issues, 2 days for support to make contact, chat just being ignored, concerned that opening account blind. Again, you see here, this guy is giving 1 star. Fine, give 1 star or minus a star, that's fine. But again, this review is based on the process that he is not able to open the account and verify it quickly. He's not able to do that. So he came back and gave 1 star. It does not mean that the company did not pay him. My red flag only comes when I am not able to withdraw from a certain broker. You got the point? I will see these reviews. I will not panic because these reviews so far have not confirmed that anyone has lost the money to the broker. Okay. As long the broker pays you, as long both the parties are on the same page, with the withdrawal and deposit methods, as long you're getting your money back, I have no problem with that broker. These 1 star reviews are based on personal cases, personal experiences. It doesn't talk about how much did they lose the money. Let's read one more here. It says US. Well, first of all, they're not serving US clients anyway. So I'm not sure if this review is real or what, but let's see. by far the worst forex broker I have. You will see these kind of reviews for every broker, by the way. Okay, you will not find a perfect dream broker anywhere. When you come to Trustpilot, you will see these kind of 1-star reviews for every broker. There's no such broker which doesn't have 1 star. Every broker will have 1 star. Okay, so blah blah blah. I was nude with 1 to 1,000 margin, promoter, blah blah blah. Low spread, good reviews. However, my account was 1 to 200 only. Okay, margin call at 120%, close at 10%, blah blah. 30%, okay. So they are saying their spread is too much, which consumed all their profits. My average trade is about 30 pips. Their average 10 pips, 5 pips for open and 5 pips for close. They claim, well, then you have opened a wrong account, my friend. I'm not sure what type of accounts they provide, because, if you are into this trading, you're not supposed to go for a spread account. You're supposed to go for ECN accounts. What does it mean? Electronic Chain Network. ECN means that you are already paying the commission to the broker, and the broker does not place any counter trades against your trade. Your trade directly goes into the liquidity pool, into the market, where execution happens, and the broker has got nothing to do whether you lose or make money. Okay, so by this review, I feel like this guy is using some account which does not charge commission, but it charges money using the extra spread. Okay, so it says here for opening the trade and for closing the trade, they are charging 5 pips. 5 pips is too much, by the way. 5 pips like 50 spread. Okay, 5 pips. Let me think. I guess I'm right. I don't know. I've been talking for like 10-15 minutes now. So 5 pips is too much, even though it says here they claim they're better than blah blah blah. They promote something and give you something else, and lastly, they refuse to make crypto withdrawals even if I originally deposit in crypto. Again, let's see the reply here. Thank you, blah and blah blah, to address, contact them directly. Okay, so again, the same problem with the deposit and withdrawal methods here, and this problem which he is talking about, 10 pips, 5 pips. This thing is operation. This customer has a problem giving 1 person, giving 1 star, a star. Is not happy with the trading environment or the broker trading account which he has opened. Again, he did not confirm if he lost the money or not. So I guess we can keep reading these reviews, but you can go and do yourself and do your own due diligence. Okay, because I'll tell you the same thing again. If the broker pays you, if all your withdrawals are 100% successful, then I don't care about the negative reviews. That's my take. The rest is your call. Now, if you want to use the broker which I use personally, for example, if you are from UK, Europe, Australia, and Asia, if you're from these countries, go and check out a couple of links below my video. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Skype. You will find my email and the Skype ID below my YouTube video. Okay, so this was FXCM, and maybe hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to know more about this method, how do I do my trading on autopilot, then check out the first link below video and watch the video till the end to know more about this method.